Hi, my name is Andrea Levandowski and I'm the Library Consultant for Small Business Development and Technology at the New Jersey State Library. And joining me today is...
Penelope.
And how old are you? Very good. And welcome to Maker's Day. We are going to be making a great recipe for you that you can do with your family.
It's animal toast.
It's animal toast.
My dad is filming.
Hi, Doug.
Say hi.
Hi.
All right, so what do we need to make animal toast? What's the toast?
And we have our spread. Today we have chocolate, peanut butter, and almond butter. And for our toppings, we have almonds and walnuts, which are not on the wall, and no one should take it, and pretzels, bananas, strawberries, bananas, and
Very good. So we are going to use our photo of the animal toast for inspiration, but we don't have to make these exactly. We can decide whatever animal we want to make and whatever.
And it can be a unicorn.
It can be a unicorn. Okay, so let's start to make it. I think I'm going to try to make the owl. And are you going to make a unicorn?
I'm going to make a cat and a unicorn.
Okay. So what's the first thing we're going to do? Should we put on the spread? All right.
My unicorn is going to be the northern unicorn.
A northern unicorn.
This is what color they are. So.
They're chocolate brown.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And I've coated my toast with some almond butter. And it looks like from the photo that we can use these bananas as the eyes. And I think I'll do a little bit more almond butter to glue on my blueberries for the eyes. Okay.
You know you can use chocolate.
How's yours coming?
Good.
Is it delicious? Mm-hmm. All right, and now I'm gonna layer my strawberries for the feathers.
Mine's coming along great, people.
Mm-hmm.
We should wear our maker shoes.
We could do Maker's Day anywhere. Maker's Day is all about making and creating and using your imagination. Now I'm going to use the almond
We
for the
invented
beak.
that.
We personally did not invent Maker's Day. But Maker's Day started in libraries. Oh no! The blueberry eye fell! Looks delicious though. Alright, so let me try. I think I'm going to try to make the monkey next. What toppings are you going to put on for your unicorn?
Oh, I think now I'm gonna do northern unicorns and nocturnal something this I'm like here about.
Okay, so you want to do some banana eyes?
Blue.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna do a little bit of chocolate.
Very good.
I almost put it in there.
Do you want some almond butter?
I was just doing that.
Okay. And are you going to do some blueberries for the eyes?
Uh-huh.
Bloop. What are you going to use for the horn?
Strawberry.
Oh, strawberry horn.
Oops. It's already looking like a unicorn.
It is. Aw. And what are you going to use for a nose? How about some walnuts? Oh, you think more strawberries? Looking good.
Now I'm gonna make a blueberry mouth.
Mmm. Looking good. Now hold it up.
Ta-da!
Beautiful. The northern unicorn. You know what the best part is about this?
Eating it.
Mm-hmm. All right, so I hope that you will be inspired to make your own animal toast, and we'd love to see what you come up with. So thank you so much for joining us.
And comment on what you make.
Good idea. Thank you for joining us today for Maker's Day. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye. What do you want to make now?
Oh, no.